Right now, tens of thousands of tracked objects bigger than 10 centimeters are circling the planet. And beyond what we can see, estimates run past 100 million fragments too small to track but still moving at orbital speed. Space, it turns out, is getting crowded fast. Speed is the whole problem. Things in low orbit move at roughly 28,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, a bolt-sized fragment hits like a hand grenade, and a fleck of paint can crater a window. Nothing needs to be aimed. It just needs to be in the way. Back in 1978, a NASA scientist named Donald Kessler described the nightmare. Enough debris up there that collisions create more debris, which causes more collisions. A slow-motion chain reaction that could eventually make some orbits unusable. It isn't an explosion. It's a cascade that plays out over years and decades. And we've already run the experiments. In 2007, China destroyed one of its own weather satellites in an anti-satellite missile test, creating thousands of trackable fragments in a single afternoon. Much of it is still up there. Then in 2009, a dead Russian military satellite slammed into a working Iridium communications satellite over Siberia. The first major accidental satellite-on-satellite crash, and thousands more pieces. The International Space Station now regularly has to dodge. Debris avoidance maneuvers used to be rare. Now they happen multiple times a year, and astronauts have sheltered in their return capsules while known debris passed. Meanwhile, the population is exploding. Mega constellations have put thousands of new satellites into low orbit in just a few years, with tens of thousands more planned. And every single one is future debris if it fails before it can deorbit itself. The rules are improving, but slowly. The US now requires low-orbit satellites to deorbit within 5 years of ending their mission, down from the old 25-year guideline. Enforcement internationally, though, is another story entirely. Actual cleanup is barely beginning. A Japanese company has flown a mission that successfully inspected a discarded rocket stage up close, a rehearsal for grabbing one. Europe's flagship removal mission has hit delays and setbacks, and nobody, so far, has brought a piece of large debris back down. And the economics are completely backwards. Creating debris is free. Cleaning up a single object costs on the order of $100 million. Every incentive points the wrong way. It's a textbook tragedy of the commons, except the commons is the sky. So here's my take. Kessler syndrome isn't a Hollywood cascade that strands astronauts in 90 minutes. It's a slow fouling of the most useful orbits, one collision at a time, and we're treating the warning signs like weather. Space junk is the climate change of orbit. Diffuse, delayed, everyone's fault and no one's job.